Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn dark mode. If you spend a lot of time on LinkedIn, especially during evening hours or in low light environments, dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain and make your browsing experience much more comfortable. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to linkedin.com in your web browser and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your profile. This is the foundation for accessing all the customization features LinkedIn offers. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. This small circular image is your gateway to various account settings and personal preferences. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This section houses all the controls you need to personalize your LinkedIn experience. After clicking Settings and Privacy, you'll be taken to a dedicated settings page. On the left side of this page, you'll notice several categories listed vertically. Make sure you're currently viewing account preferences, which should be highlighted or selected by default. If not, click on it to ensure you're in the right section where display and interface options are located. Within the Account Preferences section, scroll through the options until you find the Display section. This is where LinkedIn allows you to control visual aspects of how the platform appears on your device. The Display section contains various appearance settings that can enhance your viewing experience. Under the Display section, look for the option labeled Dark Mode and click on it. This will open up the dark mode settings where you can choose how you want the feature to behave. You'll see different options for controlling when dark mode is active on your account. In the dark mode settings, you'll notice a radio button option that says Always On. Click this radio button to enable dark mode permanently across your LinkedIn sessions. This ensures that every time you visit LinkedIn, the dark theme will be active without you having to toggle it manually each time. And that's it. Your LinkedIn interface will now display in dark mode, featuring darker backgrounds and lighter text that's easier on the eyes. The change should take effect immediately, transforming your entire LinkedIn experience into a sleek, dark-themed interface. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.